Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make flower pearl bracelet. I'm going to use 6mm black rondelle crystals, 5mm white pearls, 2mm white pearls, a clasp with closed ring and jump rings. Now let's get creative. Follow these steps. Make a normal knot. Push the knot down to the clasp. String 5 crystals in a pattern. Tie another knot to give a proper shape, followed by a 2mm white pearl. Ensure a balanced and symmetrical arrangement. Now add a 5mm pearl. Repeat the process as you approach your desired length. Fantastic job! You've just crafted a stunning bracelet. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more DIY projects. Happy crafting!